Hey guys, Aaron here from Aaron's Magic, and today I'm doing a unboxing of my fidget spinner. Now I've ordered one, that one hasn't turned up yet, and I bought one in the shop for £3.99, which I think is pretty good. Here it is, right there, fidget spinner, that's the back of it, and yeah. It's a multicoloured one. Haven't yet opened it. Been tempting to. Never had a go on one before. Well, I have at school, but not one of my own. So yeah. Let's get into it. Pack in. And here it is. Here it is, guys. It's come well packed. I got it from This Is It, which is in Barnstable, and it just comes in a little plastic thing. But anyway, here it is. Looks like it's got noise things for their weights, I think. Some fidget spinners you can get metal ones, and this one doesn't have the bearings in, but you can get ones with 3 bearings in, so you can spin it like that as well. But this is the main spinning part. First of all, we're going to look inside, so see you when I've opened it. So guys, how you open it, on the top there's a little cap, same as the bottom, and it just pops off like this. There's a little cap put that down there. So basically that's what's inside of it right there. Some really fast bearings, ball bearings inside, and there is another cap that you can undo. I'm not going to undo that one, this is just to show you the inside. So there it is, and like I said, the cap will just clip down like that. Make sure it's all nice on there again. So now I'm going to do a test spin, see how long it will spin for. So here we go. Listen to the sound of it. It's quite nice. Spins for a while, doesn't it? There we go. Try to do some tricks with it. This is actually really satisfying. I don't know if it's the noise or I don't know. Try a trick. It's just really weird, this. Don't know how to explain it. It's just something that spins in your hand, but apparently this is meant to help with ADHD and stuff like that, and it surely works with me because I have autism, and it's probably a way I could calm myself down actually. It's quite nice. I'll do an unboxing of the metal one that I'm getting. It's a Lamborghini Aventador one, and that should be fun. But yeah, that's pretty much this. Put it back in the box for safekeeping. What's going on here? There we go. Let's put it in that way. Wrap the picture and it goes. There we go. So I want to keep it nice so the bearings don't rust or anything. So that's been that. Go and get one. Oh my god, look at this thing. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, please subscribe, make sure to get one of these. These are great fun. They're really popular right now. And yeah. And it says on the back, under 12s can't use them. Really? It says right there that under 12s. I'm like, it's something that you can spin. I don't think there's any small parts you can put in your mouth. I can't even fit it in my mouth and I have a big mouth. So please like, please subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.